Hello friends, this is Dr. Bhavdeep Ahuja here. Today's short video is again about a query that I received from a colleague after watching my video. They say what to do actually when we divulge the treatment charges or our pricing to the patient as per your first consultation protocol, and we detail the patient everything. The patient raises the eyebrows, कितने पैसे हैं, like that. Maybe it doesn't say anything. So what to do and how to tackle that scenario. Some might be vocal about it, as well. They'll say वो बाजू वाले तो इतने में करता है. How do you tackle those, even the non-verbal ones or the verbal ones? So what I believe is that what we charge is not as per our material consumption. That is the first thing we need to remember. We charge for our skill set, we charge for our labor, we charge for our education, we charge for the hard fought times. Some colleagues do actually compromise on the treatment charges. We all know that. I would say they do dentistry at throwaway prices, which is actually wrong as per me. Whosoever wants to or decides to charge low, I always say आप अपना वो फाइनल ईयर का टाइम याद कर लो, किस तरह मर मर के पास हुए हैं हम लोग. नो डाउट many of us would be intelligent toppers as well, but it is the exam pressure, how many subjects we had in final year, and trust me, it was not easy to do that. I proudly say that dental final year, BDS final year is one of the toughest curriculum in any UG studies in India. So be proud of that. So why do you want to compromise on the charges? So how to deal with the patients firstly who actually raise their eyebrows or maybe not vocal about it, and just after listening to you they walk away. So when they raise their eyebrows, understand the patient body language, observe with an eye contact, feel sit in an open position, and just have a say straight parallelism in say watching with the patient, or in looking eye to eye with the patient, if I may say so. And if you feel that the patient is not actually trying to break the ice, you break the ice yourself and ask him that I see that you have a concern in your mind, can you please voice it out, let's discuss it, we have not yet started. And at that point maybe the patient will feel, either would say डॉक्टर साहब चार्जेस ज़्यादा, आई नीड टू कंसल्ट माई फैमिली, फेयर इनफ. और मे बी डॉक्टर साहब आपके चार्जेस बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, आई हैड नॉट थॉट ऑफ दिस प्रोसेस टू बी सो एक्सपेंसिव. सो वॉट वी ट्राई टू डू एट दिस स्टेज इज़ दैट वी ट्राई टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज समटाइम्स. कोई बात नहीं, आप बताओ, हम कर लेंगे, एंड में कर लेंगे. दिस इज़ नॉट द वे टू डू इट. You have to be very vocal, because if you are working on fixed charges, you are charging a decent enough amount, you don't need to compromise on those charges. You will win some, you will lose some. Yes, you will lose some patients who will not be able to afford you, but then who says that we can or we have to treat every patient who walks through your door? An ideal conversion ratio is 7.2 out of 10. That means you will treat 72 patients out of 100 as a good ratio. If you're treating more than that, perfectly all right, but if it is lesser than that, then that is a matter of concern. But the only notion, the only insecurity that we would be wanting to treat all the patients is actually devastating for us, and mentally we don't want to forego the patient. क्योंकि हम लोग घर जाके जब बात करेंगे ना, एक पेशेंट था, आया था, उसको बोला था 30,000 बजट है आपका, एंड वो पेशेंट कहता आपके चार्जेस बहुत हाई है, वो चला गया. यू टॉक इट आउट टू योर फैमिली, योर डैड, योर मॉम, समटाइम्स थे थोड़ा कम कर लेता, तेरे को कितने में पड़ता था, क्या हो गया, खाली बैठने से तो अच्छा है. Sometimes these kind of things demoralize you, but you need to understand that everyone should be aware of their costs and numbers. Finance is not going to leave you, actually, even if you have chosen +1 in science. Maths is not going to leave you, and even me and maths both are going to haunt you, since I am dealing finance as well. So at this point of time, you have to actually explain your point of view to the patient without demeaning your colleagues. I'll bring the other one into picture, the verbal one. The verbal patient will say आपका बाजू वाला डेंटिस्ट तो इतने चार्ज कर रहा है. There is always a better way to say dignify or say glorify your services without demeaning other ones. We say वो कौन सा मटेरियल यूज़ करता है, हमें क्या मालूम. मैं तो अच्छे मटेरियल यूज़ करता हूँ, वो घटिया मटेरियल यूज़ करता है, मुझे क्या मालूम. हैव यू एक्चुअली रियली gone to that Bajuwala clinic, opened up his all the drawers and checked out all his materials? Really? So what right do we have to say this for our neighboring colleague? I am really shocked to say that हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, हमें प्रैक्टिस मैनेजमेंट, मार्केटिंग, मेडिको लीगल एथिक्स, फाइनेंस, ये सब पढ़ाया नहीं जाता. बहुत ज़रूरी है. हमें 2 सब्जेक्ट्स और नहीं पढ़ाए जाते, बट वी आर मास्टर इन इट. मेजॉरिटी ऑफ डेंटिस्ट आर मास्टर इन इट. सब्जेक्ट जे, jealousy; subject BB, subject backbiting. So jealousy and backbiting are our favorite subjects, and we try to badmouth the colleague. What right do we have to do that? There are always a better way. There is always a better way to rise up in life without demeaning your colleagues. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि किसी को गिरा के आप ऊपर चढ़ो, आप अपना रास्ता ट्रेड करते चलो. What right do you have to do that? Unfortunately, if the patient is convinced about what you have to offer, tell that we are using a particular system. Try to journalize the things. Even if you are charging say X amount for a root canal, convey it to the patient that root canals are done, even in my town it is done as low as 500 rupees as well in a charitable hospital. So tell the root canals, depending upon your tiers of city, root canals are done from 500 to 8,000 or 10,000 rupees. So any dentist would be giving you a price based on the system he is using. It is not about being an expensive or a cheap one in that regard. It is always the system which decides our cost for us. And obviously, you need to put it across in a way where you don't mention about your colleague, and you justify your services also if it comes to that. But otherwise, there is a different scenario, because sometimes colleagues try to justify it in a wrong manner. If they're charging 1,000 for a composite, they will say इसमें 800-850 का तो composite लग जाना. Actually, really, we know that what exactly is the truth, but we are actually afraid to say that to the patient that नहीं, इसमें तो हमारे composite की cost 200 है, बाकी 800 रुपये मेरी जो मैं फाइनल ईयर में जागा था उसके हैं. We don't need to say certain things. You can be say very nice in putting across certain things. We are not shopkeepers who are selling products or goods. We are selling our services, and we belong to a noble profession, so there has to be a fine line between that. So how you convey to the patient? Again, you have to be a master in another subject, CS, communication skills. And unless you master in these subjects, the subject J and subject BB would continue to be the overpowering subjects. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope I am able to impart some points across to you. Take care, stay tuned. I'll be back with another video shortly. Lot of webinars coming your way from Sunday 2nd May onwards. So keep watching this space, keep watching the channel. Do tell the colleagues about it. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.